Elsa, what's this? Gonna throw it? Elsa! No! Come here! Here! Good girl! You're gonna trip me up, girl. She keeps going in between my legs and I'm covered in dog hairs now. Thanks. Maybe one more, yeah? Let's go get it. Let's go get it. One more and then we're going home. Okay? Sit. Elsa. Paw. Sit. Paw. Good girl. And go. Come here. Elsa. Come back. Oh no. You're gonna trip me up. You're not taking the chain off. You're not allowed to do that. Right. Let's go home. Right, I'm taking her home. She's had enough running about for one day, so yeah. I'm gonna put this in my YouTube video. But yeah. Thanks. And thanks for watching. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, Elsa, you're trying to trip me up still? Stop trying to take your muzzle off too. You know you're not allowed it off while you're on walks. Stop! She's being naughty. That sounds really fucking kinky, but you know, she's being a bad dog. She's being a naughty girl. So yeah. I'm gonna send this video to you, because why not? Like, you said you liked my dog, so I'll send this video to you, because I'm a nice person. Like that. And yeah.